So guys, Thursday, the night before the test and tune, we went ahead, checked some stuff on the car. We noticed a lot of smoke coming out of the exhaust. So it was a back turbo. We took the turbo out, contact Revolution Turbo. Next morning by 7:30 a.m. we took the turbo. They got it fixed for us. They did a rebuild on the turbo. By 3:30 p.m. I was installing the turbo back on the car and heading out to Gainesville Raceway. Come on. Acá hay liqueo. Una vuelta. Ever on the slicks on the twin disc clutch. It was hitting the link cut. Fuel pump was going bad. We didn't know at the moment. We knew that we were running out of fuel pump, but we didn't know that the fuel pump was completely bad. So at this point, I was messing with the fuel tables. Seems not to be working because fuel pump was bad. We didn't know at the moment. We're gonna be installing a fuel pressure sensor, hooking up to the ECU. That way we can data log the fuel pressures, monitor all that together. That night, the car shut down on us on the highway. It was a bad fuel pump. It was like 2012, 2013 fuel pump. So we're gonna be replacing the fuel pump, upgrading the ground wire. The power wire was a 12 gauge already with a relay. So within a few weeks, everything is gonna be fixed. We're going back to the dyno, retuning the car, and then going back to test and tune and see what the car is capable to do.
Entonces, el clan, dame un zip de acá.
Zip tie, va por ahí.
El clan que tiene la huequita, un puesto. O se cayó para allá adentro.
3:35 AM.
25.
3:35.
Mira eso, papá. Está la internet, yo creo.
Magnética. Bomba de gasolina murió. Ya estamos instalando otra. Espérate, si se enfoca la hora aquí. 3:39 de la mañana. ¿Qué tú crees, John?
Vamos a prender la bomba, a ver si.
Vamos a ver si la bombita nueva que montamos funciona.
Ahí prendió.
Vamos a ver. Presión. Ya está. Resolvimos. Papi, ¿de qué era? Contamos la unidad completa de que donde poco. Estamos ready ya.